Hey there, Delilah, you'd be good and don't you miss me?
This is Hey There, Delilah in the key of D. This is a really fun song that my husband and I used to sing and play along and jam out to in the car when we were dating. So wanted to teach it to you, bring back some memories maybe for you too. All right, so make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the chord sheet that you can print out, and it'll make a lot more sense as we go through it. All right, so in this song, we have the chords D, G, A, then we have a B minor and an F sharp minor. So don't let that scare you. We got it covered. Here you go. All right, so D chord, let's find a C note by looking for this group of two black notes. This is kind of middle C. It's kind of a good location to find. And right after C in the alphabet is D. Okay, so line up your fingers, play D, pick up this black note in the middle, F sharp, A. Okay, and it makes this triangle shape. D, F sharp, A, if that helps you. Okay, and then let's find a G chord. Come down here. It's tucked in between these group of three black notes. Here is a G. Play every other note. G, B, D. G chord. Move up one set of notes there, and you're going to play that triangle shape again. So you're going to put that black note in the middle. A, C sharp, E. Makes that triangle shape. Okay? So that is D, G, A. Okay, let's look for the B minor. We're just going to move up one note. This B minor is a little crazy, but B, D, F sharp. Okay, you could play whatever fingers work best for you. I play 1, 2, 3, and it kind of creates this curve line, white, white, black. Okay, so there's a curve line for B minor. And then our last one is the F sharp minor. So here was an F note. So F sharp here. A, C sharp. Okay, F sharp, A, C sharp. It kind of makes this upside down triangle, kind of a reverse regular triangle. Okay, all right, so let's review. We have a D triangle, G, A triangle, B minor is this kind of swing curve line there, and then our F sharp minor. You could play 1, 2, 5 if that finger works better for you. Kind of just figure out what feels good there. F sharp minor is that upside down triangle. All right, so left hand, we're going to keep it super simple. We're just going to line up single notes with our chord in our right hand. So D to D, G to G, A in the bass, B minor, B in the bass, and then F sharp minor. You could play F sharp with your pinky here if that feels comfortable for you, but I would try to find a position that this left hand can kind of camp out the whole song without having to move. So this is just what feels good for me. You can do what feels good for you. All right, so the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together, this song is written in, I believe, 6/8 time signature. And so it kind of has this like flowy feel to it, a little bit of a waltz maybe. Da, 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 da. So we're going to do a rhythm called 1 to 2 ratio. So it goes like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You can practice that on the G chord. Nice marching rhythm. Just get that used to your hands coming together in that way. Okay, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds, then I'm going to break it down for you. Hey there, Delilah.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right there if you get lonely, girl. Sorry, give this song another listen. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side.
So you'll notice some of the chords I kind of just went through one at a time, like
listen to my voice, it's my disguise.
Instead of that 1 to 2 ratio. So sometimes you could just block chord through it. All right, so I wrote the chord above the word or the syllable in which it changes. So that should help you kind of know or anticipate when the next chord moves through. For this song, since it's a little bit trickier than typically the ones I teach, play your right hand all by itself, probably through this until you can get used to going from chord to chord. And that will kind of help break it up into simple steps. And then maybe just do the left hand by itself and then bring the two hands together. Okay, so we start out with D on Hey There, Delilah. And we're just doing that together, right rhythm. Hey there, Delilah, what's it? F sharp minor. Like in New York City, I'm a D. 1,000 miles away, but girl, to F sharp minor. Night, you look so pretty, S, U, B minor. Do. Time is G. Times Square can't shine as bright as you. Sometimes I just block through that, right? Times Square can't shine as bright as you. I swear it's a true. Okay, then we kind of repeat that stanza. Kind of repeat those chords that kind of repeat there. So notice that pattern. Hey there, Delilah, don't you, F sharp minor, worry about the distance, I'm right, D. There if you get lonely, give this, D, F sharp minor, song another listen, close your B minor, eyes, G, listen to my A, B minor, I'm by your A side, okay? So that kind of walks us through what 1, 2, and 3 verse 1, 2, 3 look like. Okay, let's look at that bridge because it's just going back and forth between the D, B minor, D, B minor, A, D, B minor. So you kind of have some patterns there too. Oh, it's what you do to B minor, me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Okay, we can kind of go from that B minor, A, D. It's what you do to B minor, me. D, it's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. Okay, that just kind of goes back and forth between that D, B minor for the most part. Let's look at that bridge. Okay, so scooch down a little bit in your chord sheet. G, and then A, and then D. B minor, and then repeat. G, A, D, B minor. Okay, so there's a pattern. Except for the last line, they throw you off. But anyway, all right, I'm going to sing through it a little bit. 1,000 miles seem pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. G, Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through B minor, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame. Ends on that A. Oh, and then it goes into the chorus. Oh, it's what you do to me. Okay, have a lot of fun with this one. Like I said, maybe just for a while, work through your right hand all by itself. Block through it, take it simple steps at a time. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You could play with me. You could do it. I believe in you. Here we go. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right there if you get lonely. Give this song another listen. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh,
you do to me. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. 1,000 miles seem pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and car. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'd just laugh along, because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. What you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, you'd be good, and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do. You'll know it's all because of you. We could do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. And oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me.